We start by stating each discipline's perspective on the problem. Frame it in terms of the questions that disciplinarians would probably ask about the problem. Refer to Table 2.2 in Chapter 2 for the general overarching perspective of some of the most popular disciplines. And then refer to Tables 7.2 through 7.7 in Chapter 7 for examples of what we are trying to accomplish with this task. This is Table 7.5 from the textbook. It provides an example of how we might state a discipline's perspective on the problem in general terms. This example is focused on the prevention of the quote-unquote perfect crime, and it relies on 3 disciplines: criminal justice, forensic science, and forensic psychology. Criminal justice experts would focus on the inefficient investigative techniques, while forensic scientists would focus on human error in the application of forensic techniques like DNA analysis and crime scene reconstruction, while forensic psychologists would focus on the inefficiencies in criminal profiling. Each discipline provides some information about the complex problem. Together, they provide a more comprehensive understanding. When we understand the contributions of multiple disciplines, we can begin to see how the problem requires more than a simple explanation or more than a simple solution. The solution will likely be as complex as the problem. Review the other examples in the textbook for more information about analyzing the problem from each discipline's perspective.